Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? Just came home from work, but tomorrow I will be heading home for Christmas, which is going to be interesting. I think I mentioned it before, but it has been 6 months since I've been home in that sense. Hopefully I will get off work a little bit early tomorrow, so I can be able to head out to Arlanda in decent time at least. Yeah, I will be packing a little bit more tonight, and then probably go to work tomorrow, head over here, grab my stuff, and then take the train to Arlanda. We'll be home for 6 days. We'll be getting back here after the day after Christmas Day. So yeah, that's also going to be interesting. Seeing friends and family. So yeah, peace out.